Hello Jenny and Ethan. Welcome back to Randy's Robo School.
Hi Randy. We're so happy to be here.
Yeah, Randy. What exciting things are we going to learn today?
Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of AI robots. Are you ready to dive in?
Ready.
AI robots are robots that can think and learn like humans. They use artificial intelligence, or AI, to understand their environment and make decisions. They use sensors like cameras and microphones to gather information about their surroundings.
Randy, how do they learn?
Great question, Jenny. AI robots learn from data, just like you learn from your schoolbooks. They can read, see, hear, and even feel, and then use that information to get better at what they do. Let's look at some fun examples. First, we have robotic vacuum cleaners. Have you seen one of these at home?
Yes. My mom has one. It moves around and cleans the floor by itself.
Exactly, Ethan. These robots use sensors to detect dirt and avoid obstacles. They learn the layout of your house to clean more efficiently each time. This is very helpful, isn't it?
What other robots are there?
There are educational robots, like me. Some robots help kids learn math, science, and even coding by playing fun games and solving puzzles together. Bee-Bot is a colorful, friendly robot designed to teach young children the basics of coding, sequencing, and problem-solving in a fun and interactive way. It is often used with mats that have grids, pictures, or themes like letters, numbers, shapes, or maps. This helps children visualize and plan their commands. Dash is another robot which can be programmed to move, light up, and make sounds. Kids can use block-based coding apps like Blockly and Wonder to control Dash and create interactive projects. Dash also has attachments like a xylophone for musical fun. AI robots learn in different ways. One way is through supervised learning, where they are taught with examples. For instance, a robot can learn to recognize apples and oranges by looking at many labeled pictures of each fruit.
So, it's like when our teacher gives us worksheets, with answers to help us learn?
Exactly. Another way is unsupervised learning, where robots find patterns on their own. Imagine sorting a pile of mixed candies by color without anyone telling you how. The robot does something similar.
That sounds like a fun game.
It is, Jenny. And then there's reinforcement learning, where robots learn from rewards and penalties. This can involve trial and error, where the robot receives positive reinforcement for desired actions and learns from negative outcomes. Like when you get stars for good behavior or points for winning a game. These are the three types of machine learning. To gain a deeper understanding of machine learning, please watch the video by clicking the link in the video description below. Did you know that AI robots are used in schools too? They can help teachers by tutoring students in subjects like math and reading.
How do they do that?
They use AI to understand each student's strengths and weaknesses and give personalized lessons. For example, if a student struggles with multiplication, the robot can provide extra practice and fun games to help them improve. Now is a humanoid robot used in classrooms to assist with learning. It can dance, tell stories, and engage students in interactive activities that make learning fun.
That sounds really helpful.
It is, Ethan, and they can also assist with classroom activities, like taking attendance or helping with science experiments. AI robots can create a more engaging learning environment through interactive games and activities. AI robots can also be great helpers at home. Some robots can cook meals, water the plants, or even play games with you. RoboSoccer robots can play soccer and learn to improve their game over time.
Wow! That sounds amazing.
Did you know you can build your own simple AI robot? There are kits available that teach you how to create and program robots.
Really? How do we start?
You can start with basic kits like Lego Mindstorms or Vex Robotics kits. They come with easy-to-follow instructions. You can build a robot that moves around and responds to your commands. These kits often come with easy-to-use programming languages like Scratch, which is block-based and beginner-friendly. As you get better, you can add more features, like sensors and cameras.
That sounds like a cool project.
It is. Building robots helps you learn about science, technology, engineering, and math, also known as STEM. It's a fun way to discover how things work. While AI robots are amazing, it's important to use them safely. Always follow the instructions and make sure an adult is around when you're building or using a robot. The future of AI robots is very exciting. They will continue to get smarter and more helpful. We might see robots that can assist doctors, help with construction, or even explore space. They might also be used in search and rescue operations, assisting people with disabilities, or even helping with agricultural tasks.
That's incredible.
I can't wait to see what the future holds.
I hope you enjoyed learning about AI robots today. Remember, they are here to help us and make our lives easier and more fun.
Thanks, Randy. This was so cool.
Yeah, I can't wait to build my own robot.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Keep being curious and exploring new things every day. See you next time at Randy's Robo School. To learn more about artificial intelligence, go to www.aieducationforkids.com. If you would like to read books and do some activity, then we have some wonderful collection of books on artificial intelligence like Introduction to AI, Brainy Bots, Fantastic Future, Building AI. These books will help you grow and explore the new world of artificial intelligence. You can find all the links and details in the video description below. If you like this video, then please click the like button. To get notifications for more such educational videos on AI, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time.